Hello everybody, so let's start, and previously we have installed the React application in this folder. As you can see, it was called Hello World. So let me start this. Let's see. Okay, now the application is running in the system perfectly fine, which was as in the previous tutorial. So let's see how it looks, the directory structure and the files. So let me open. You can have any editor. Right now I'm using Sublime. So let's open the entire project files. As you can see, the main concentration or area that we want is src folder. Let me put it in this two division. The index.js file. There are many other files that are not unnecessary. Right now we don't want something like that, so we will make it from our scratch. um, let's remove this file. We don't need all of these details or complex component. We'll try to make a very simple component here. We don't need this CSS file. So our main component will be app.js. To do that, we import React component, which is responsible to create React components basically. So we're gonna say const the component's name, which should be in capital the beginning, and basically the components are written in ESX syntax. So we can start brackets, and inside brackets I'll just forward h1 um, h1 content like hello world. Or let's try to make it very simple. We don't need even these brackets right now, so let's remove them. And now we should export this component from this file. If any other file imports this, so this name should be exported. And here we don't need the CSS file, and you see that it accesses root ID or any element that has ID with root, and that is found in our index.html file, which is in public folder. Yes, and it's also very crowded, so we don't need this headache. So let's try to remove this whole. And try to create a simple HTML file with a body and a div. And this div has an ID, and the ID is root. So all the component or the component app.js will be rendered in this and inside this div. And here it accesses the root and returns the app component which we have imported from the previous file, and renders it inside our root. And this should work right now. So let's see. Save it. It will automatically hot reload the page. If you change something here and save it, and yeah, automatically reloaded. Thank you very much for watching this video.